Welcome to Digital Mint. In today's video, we'll explore what cryptocurrency really is, where it came from, and why it has changed the future of money. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, it doesn't exist in physical form. Instead, it runs on technology called blockchain, which is a public, decentralized digital ledger. The story begins in 2008. During the global financial crisis, a mysterious person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper, introducing a system of peer-to-peer digital cash. In 2009, the Bitcoin network officially launched. The main idea behind cryptocurrencies is decentralization. That means no government or bank controls the money. Transactions happen directly between people, verified by computers around the world. Since Bitcoin, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created. Some focus on smart contracts like Ethereum, some are stablecoins, and others are just memes like Dogecoin. Together, they form a new and evolving financial world. And that's the beginning of cryptocurrency. But this is just the start of our journey. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into how Bitcoin works, what altcoins are, and how blockchain is changing the world. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Mint for more crypto insights.